Roblox has shut down the server for maintenance. Please try again. Error code 275. So you may get this error if you're really addicted to the game and you play all time, because this error is so much rare and you get it when the Roblox decide to do a maintenance on their servers. And yep, so when they do maintenance on their server while you are playing, this error will come. Anyways, there is also a solution to that. Maybe you can't join. The first thing you want to do, you want to wait, and then if you can't wait, you go to the experience and then you go to the servers. As you can see, there is many servers here to join, and yeah, you probably can join better from here. Then you click on this button, and that's how we do it. I hope you learned how to fix that.